Hello, this video is going to cover how to get descriptive statistics using Excel. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up an Excel file and we're going to type in our set of data. So I've already done that here. You can see that I have 12, 97, 36, 45, 42, 17, 19, 23, 24, 29, 29, 13, 19, and 19. Now before we get started on running the descriptive stats, we want to make sure that our Excel file is able to do this. So we're going to go to File. Once you click on File, you want to go down to Options. That's at the very bottom on the left-hand side. Now we're going to click Add-ins. And once we click Add-ins, what we want to do is we want to go down to Manage. We want to make sure we have Excel Add-ins highlighted. And now we're going to click Go. Once that is done, we're going to see this box come up. You want to make sure that your analysis toolpath is checked off and then hit OK. Once that's completed, you want to go to the very top the top part of your screen, and on these tabs you're going to click Data. Now, in the far right hand side, you see Data Analysis. We're going to click that because we want to analyze some data. Alright, once we have that clicked, it might take a little bit to come up. What we want is we want descriptive statistics. So we're going to go ahead and highlight that. Note that these are in alphabetical order, by the way, so it's not too hard to find. Descriptive statistics, let's hit OK. Now when it says input range, what it's asking is what data do you want Excel to find the descriptive statistics for? Now in doing this, actually what we can do is we can go over to our data, left click, hold it down, and scroll all the way up. And then once we let go, we have the data we want highlighted and in this box. Now down here, it says, well, how do you want the output? You can have it in a new worksheet, a new workbook, doesn't matter. Let's see, I want summary statistics though, so let's make sure we have that. And I'm just going to click OK. Alright, now that I clicked OK, it has come up with my awesome descriptive statistics. I'm just going to move these out so I can see it a little bit better. Alright, so we have the mean, which remember is the arithmetic average. That's what happens when you sum up all your data and then divide it by the amount of data that you have. We have our standard error. We'll get to that later. But the big one that we want is the mean, which is here, and the standard deviation, which is here. That's mostly what we want. And notice that is created in a different sheet. So if we want to go back to look at the original data, we can go down here to the bottom tab, back to sheet 1, and we can see our original data here.